Welcome back, everyone, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today, we are going to be doing a market update as of January 2021. All right, so let's just jump straight into it. The average sale price per home, not condos, of homes has gone up by 17% in quarter four of 2020 versus 2019. Now, the average price of condos have gone up by 4% in quarter four of 2020 versus 2019. Now, homes under contract. This is kind of an important one. We're seeing how much action is actually happening out there in the market, right? So as of January 1st, 2021, this year, beginning of the month, there were 2,625 homes under contract, which is actually a big decrease considering in October of 2020, there were 5,198 homes under contract. Now, in January 1st of 2021, there were 1,753 condos under contract, which again is a slight decrease from October of 2020, which actually had 2,452 condos under contract. We're seeing lower numbers because there's just really not enough inventory, and that's kind of what's going on in Denver right now. And so this is now affecting the number of under contract. Obviously, if there's not much on the market, there's not going to be much under contract. Basically, everybody's moving here, not enough homes being built. All the mortgage interest rates are super low, so everybody's trying to buy a house, but they don't have access to that. It's a very competitive market out here for buyers, you know. Sellers definitely are having the upper hand, and buyers are continuing to throw in insane offers, 20, 30, 40, 50 grand over asking price because there's such high competition. Who can put in the higher offer and get the house? Now, like I said, inventory is super low. Get this. Ready? There are, as of January 1st, 2021, there are only 912 homes on the market right now. 912. The amount of condos on the market right now is actually 1,119. So slight difference, not too much. All right, so here we have the appreciation map. Now, on average, homes rise about 6% in appreciation every single year. Homes have gone up in price all but 4 years, really in the last 44 years. And I know everyone's kind of saying, oh, the prices are going up. It's going to drop eventually. It's going to drop eventually. Well, honestly, people that predict that usually are wrong 90% of the time. Like I said, there have been only 4 years where we have not seen an increase in appreciation in the past 44 years. So just because we are at a record high does not mean that prices are going to drop. And you can really make your decision on what you think is going on with the market based on these long-term trends here. You can see that prices have gone up consistently in the last 12 years. Okay, now we have our inventory graph. It's kind of sad, huh? If you live in Denver, you probably have heard this all the time, but inventory is very tight. The market, not a lot on it. Not a lot on the market right now. Now, on the right side of this graph, you're going to see that the number of sales is actually the same as the number of homes for sale. This means there's so much competition for buyers right now, and sellers are generally going to have the upper hand in negotiation. Alrighty, now we are looking at the foreclosure chart. We're actually really not expected to see a lot of foreclosures due to COVID. Definitely not as much as we thought. 3% of homes are actually underwater in the US right now. And by underwater, I mean that the value of their home is actually less than their mortgage. But honestly, anyone that's facing economic troubles right now, odds are they actually have enough equity to just take their home to the market and sell it the regular way and just harvest what they have. Of all the forbearances right now that are actually behind on their mortgage payment, at least 77% of them have 20% or more equity in their home right now. So just take your home to the market, get out clean, pay your mortgage off, and have probably a little bit extra to move out. And last but definitely not least, rent and vacancy. So as you can see from this chart here, renters are actually going through the strongest rental increase in the Denver metro area right now. There's actually such a lack of rental construction right now, and this dynamic is really not expected to change for some time. So not enough homes, not enough places to rent. Because of all the low interest rates that we're seeing right now, it's actually going to be just about as affordable to pay for a mortgage as it is to pay for your rent at this point. Because there's not enough rental construction being done, a lot of renters are really genuinely considering buying homes, and it's actually dragging them to home ownership, which is great. but there's actually still no homes available. So that's really just kind of making it even more of a competitive market for buyers. With low interest rates, homeownership is relatively affordable compared to rent right now. I'd say landlords and sellers are definitely in a better position as opposed to these buyers and these renters. I am really feeling for y'all. I don't know. We need some construction workers coming to Denver. Please help us build some stuff. All right, everybody. And that is that. That was your January of 2021 market trends. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe and press that notification button so you get notified whenever I post a video every Wednesday. Don't forget to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn at Brokergayane. I will leave all the links down below. And that is that, everyone. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you are all doing well and staying healthy. COVID is maybe almost over. We don't know. But till next time, take care, everyone.